Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2002 Chevy Corvette. This one's silver. Underneath it's a V8 pushing out 350 horsepower and 360 pounds of torque. For wheels you've got 18-inch in the rear, 17 in the front chrome. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior. The whole exterior of the vehicle is also clear filmed. Come around back, we've got our Corvette badging. Quad exhaust. Opening up the tailgate. Got a set of all-season floor mats. Coming alongside, power windows, Bose sound system. Still smells new. Got our radio, climate control, automatic transmission. This Corvette has very low mileage, 2,999 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Chevy Corvette, check out feldmanimports.com.